Hi, I'm Liza and you're at home with Imagine If. Today we're going to work with gravity and friction and marbles. Have you ever played with the bull run in Kalispell where we have all those pipes and they magnet to that big metal board? Well, I don't have a metal wall or a bunch of plastic pipe, but I do have a wall and a bunch of these and this, and I can do that. And I bet you can scrounge up some of this stuff too. Even just some flat cardboard will work if I set you an engineering challenge. Remember, engineering is looking at a problem or a challenge and using your skills and your knowledge to design and create a solution or to improve on a solution. Okay, so all our stuff is ready. Let's engineer. So there it is. It took a lot of trial and error and a lot of persistence, right? But it was pretty fun. What are you going to build? What do you think? How much of your wall can you cover with Marble Run? And once you finish building, can you improve it? Can you change it? Can you keep on engineering?